Hey guys, this is Basant here. I was just randomly checking the apps to finding a new tool that can help me to organize my tasks or the daily routine for the I have to do a lot of the things like starting from the day I have to find out or read my emails, then reply them. I have to open the docs, the sheets to managing my data. I have also to ping my team members on the Slack. So all this stuff I was thinking a AI tool then can manage these things or at least give me the stats on a single dashboard here, and hopefully I got a tool. This is the Dume AI, and this tool literally do the things I was just seeking out. Like AI organize, integrates and automates your daily task here, and this tool lets me do all this stuff. I have just chat with it and I'm really amazed. It's just blown my mind here. First of all, let me show you the integration it has available. So I was looking something that can integrate my Google Mail. Okay, so it has that thing is available. Okay, so if I go to my integrations, you can see I have just connected my Gmail, the calendar, the GitHub, the Google Sheet and the Google Docs here. It has also the other integrations available like with the Slack, Jira, okay, the Outlook, and in the future we can see more things like managing my files from the Google Drive, the Notion, the Linear, the Discord, Figma, HubSpot, Zendesk, Dropbox, OneDrive. So these integrations I can also access in the future here. Okay, so right now let me show you thing I have just chat with this tool here and how it has just solved me so many stuff for me right now. Okay, so let me open this one here and you can see. So let me show you start from the scratch. So after integrating with the platforms like the Gmail, Doc or the Slack here, I just asked him check my Google Doc and show me important docs here. Okay, so it has just showed me all the important docs here, like the top 3 that I have one. Then I asked it, yes, I want to open that one, the first one. Then after that it has asked me the document ID. So make sure to give it the access. It will ask you the document ID, so it has that access. Don't unintentionally, you give the permission intentionally with the document ID. Okay, so if I given that, it will open it. Then after that doc, I can just optimize it, I can approve it or make the changes or get the information I want here. Okay, it is also told me can't directly optimize the document. Okay, no worries. Okay, then after that what I have done, I have just asked me what are my recent emails. Okay, so it has just show me the emails from my connected Gmail, that these are the 5 emails I got. And after that what I have told it to reply the 5th email here. You can see read and reply accordingly. And after that it has asked me what is the reply I want to do. So from here on this same place, I have just asked it that this is my email reply here, and it is just literally do it successfully. And here's the draft here. You can see this is the draft of my email reply, you can see. And after that if I click here on the send, it will be sent. So that is really magical. Not only that, after that what I have done, I have asked it what are my day bookings in my calendar. So you can see I haven't any booking here. So what I have asked to book a meeting with this person for today 1:30 p.m. So it has booked a meeting. Wow, really time saving. Okay, I don't have to go to my calendar and then book the slot with the meeting that I want to. It has done within the same dashboard here. So then after that I have asked it to give me the recent sheets I have just worked on. So this is the top 5 sheets I have worked on my Google Sheets. So I have asked it to open the second one and asked to suggest me to improve it. Again it has asked me the ID of this sheet so it can get the access and act what I want to do it here. So this is how the powerful this Dume AI. And not only that, let me show you even magical. Okay, so here you can see while chatting with my documents or the integrations, what I have found that it has using the Dume AI. It's customized AI chat bot here, but I can also change it with the popular AI models like the Lima, I have the DeepSeek, I have the OpenAI, I have the Gemini, the Gwen, the Mistral, Cloudy. All these popular AI models I can just swap and start chatting with my documents, the daily tasks. So this tool is literally saving me so much time here. Okay, so right now Dume AI is available starting from the $59, and if I go to plans and feature, it has the 3-tier plans available, and every tier is going to give you the more credits per month and the more messages every month you can do or use. And not only that, we have also a new feature section available, that is the workflow automation. So I have just tested out that with this flow automation I can just connect my integrated apps like the connecting my Google Sheet with the Gmail or connecting my Slack with the Gmail. So this kind of the stuff I can also do it here. There's also the templates available like the idea incubator, the weather assistant, the story generator. So this is just the templates of the ideas, but you can also create your custom workflow. So that is also a good thing I have found it here. Okay, so right now if you want to check it any of the tier plan from this deal, the link will be in the description, plus I have also pinned in the comments, you can find from there. And there's also the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you're not happy, just return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be back here. Okay, now let me give you a quick demo how the things will start working out. So simply you have to click here on the new chat. Okay, and after that you can just ask it whatever thing you want to do with your connected apps. Like I want to just check my unread emails. Okay, so quickly it will just analyze, go to my Gmail and find out my emails that I haven't read yet. Okay, so right now it is processing, so you have to wait for a few seconds because its AI model go to there and analyze this stuff here. Okay, it has found that this is the emails that I haven't read with the context here. Okay, so now what I can do, I can just let it ask to open the second one, open second email and craft a reply accordingly. Okay, so let's see if this can open my second email. Yeah, okay, the second one. Okay, so error daily message limit. Okay, my daily limit quota is reached, so I cannot go further from that one, but I have showed you the power and the magic what it can do for you. So right now let's get the lifetime deal here and start exploring this tool. If you have any questions, any thing you want to share with me, just let me know in the comments. I will read all the comments and reply back. And if you want to check it out, this deal, the link will be in the description. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with these all kind of the new tools and the updates in the software. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.